So today I'm coming at you guys with a closet refresh, closet decluttering, a thrift haul, I guess. I don't know. I've been meaning to do this for a very long time because my closet is such a mess. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. Y'all, I've been looking for this for so long. Be gone. Dirty burger. So that one was definitely the easy closet. So first of all, I got this purse full of baby stuff. I got my old cracked phone in my closet, so I'm just gonna stuff it all in this purse. Accessories. A waist trainer that is way too small on me. My sister got me this cute little bag in Vietnam. I miss her. My camera that I should be using, but I do not have a lens. Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Hey guys, hey sisters. Another purse. I'm just taking out all my purses. All my purses. This is a part of my thrift haul. I think I'm just gonna move all my hoodies into the other closet. That won't be a fit. Am I even decluttering right now? So far I haven't decluttered anything. We're keeping this one. Keeping. You will declutter this one. The Babes Club. And I'm also decluttering this Champion hoodie because it's too small on me and I can hardly fit into it. And that's not a pleasant experience. Into the other closet. Okay, honestly, I have this stand. You can see the clothes peeping through the door. And I keep random stuff on. I'm gonna move it all into this closet. I wanna buy a dresser eventually. Maybe I'll do like a room redecorating video once I buy a dresser because I do have some other things that I want to redecorate my room with eventually. But now tell me why I'm tempted to just put all my bags on it. Oh, my brain, my brain. Okay, I'm gonna go put it in. Will it fit in here? I don't know. Not with everything in there. Okay. I made it fit, kind of. Where were we? Like, I really genuinely... Oh, the stand. Right. Let's grab my shoes. These ones are like strappy heeled sandals. You see, I don't know. I don't have my toes done right now, so I'm not putting these on because I'm instantly gonna say no the second I put them on because, yeah. Anyways, they're right here. This part's kind of unraveling. You know what? Well, let's say no to these. These declutter. We're gonna declutter these. I have another pair of shoes here hidden underneath the mess. We are keeping. I just bought these on Shein recently. I don't think I'm gonna buy anything off of Shein other than shoes because it's just a no for me. Everything I buy on there almost, it's just a big, giant, fat no. I have these heels. I really have no shoes. I do have more shoes actually. Who am I kidding? I need to go pick those up though. So I'm gonna put my bags in the closet. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this makes me happy, okay? And now we're gonna move this. The shoes are going down. The shoes are definitely going down. There we go. This is from Beaded Kitsune. This goes in the hoodie closet. Hoodie closet. Hoodie closet. I know it's a cardigan. Don't come for me. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna leave that there. Yo, I got really bad allergies and look at what it's doing to my makeup. It was already hard enough to do. Then this happens. But anyways, we're gonna ignore it. We're gonna ignore it. Okay, we're gonna ignore it. Waist trainer that I was determined to use and haven't continued. We'll do it again. We'll do her again. Never worn this, but I feel like I need to start just experimenting with my style more. Everything here I'm keeping. I'm gonna move these scarves to the other side. I feel like it just creates cluster on the other side. This is disgusting, but she's cute. I'm gonna still keep it. This hanger has like 3 dresses on it. This is like a denim one. This dress, I think I'm gonna get rid of it because like it's missing some rhinestones. Not only that, it's just not really giving anymore for me. Miss Rose. Okay, and then I also have this dress. I am gonna donate it. I'm gonna keep this skirt. I just wanted to show this to y'all. I love this skirt. I don't know how I'm gonna organize this. How it's gonna go. Uh-oh. Jeez. Since my children are here doing the most. Okay, oh, that gave me a heart attack. He left the door open and I didn't know where Rose was. She's literally right beside me. Literally right beside me. Okay. No. Yeah, I'm gonna empty out this entire closet because it's just like a mess down here. Up here we got it situated. Okay, so this is it cleared out. You can hear like an echo. This is the lovely pile of clothes I have to deal with. Is that how people take pictures? Pictures. Thumbnails, that's what they're called. I'm gonna donate this. I'm just gonna start. I don't even know how to think right now. I'm just like overwhelmed. There's just so much to look at. I did a toy rotation with all of their toys. And this is how I felt midway through. And I was like, I don't want to do this, but I did it. So I can get through this too. I like it. I just donate that. This skirt is like a go-to skirt every single year for me. It's low-key losing threads. I need to own a sewing machine at this point. That's all I gotta say. I need to own a sewing machine. Donate. Donate. I feel like I'm getting rid of more clothes than I'm keeping. Donate. Keep. This skirt, I literally just bought it. A size small from Shein. I feel like my booty's gonna hang out of it. I'm a mother, and I don't think I'll pass on the whole booty experience. I think I'm good on that. I'm a mother. Who am I to say how to dress? These should fit. I mean, I don't think I've ever even worn them. If these jeans don't even fit me, put that in the donate. These ones I've had for a minute. I think I'm gonna donate these as well. I might be posting these on Poshmark. If you guys want my Poshmark, it'll be linked down below. For anything that you see. I don't know what I'm posting and what I'm not posting. This skirt, I'm gonna keep. Sweatpants, obviously keep. These are so cute. I just bought these as well and they're too big for me, which is sad. Maybe I'll just buy a sewing machine. Keep them. These shorts are also a maybe. I feel like I need to try them on one more time. These are new, never worn from Shein. I'm gonna donate that. I bought these jeans from the thrift not too long ago and I just don't like the way they fit. They make my crotch look funny. Not the vibe for me. These pants, I love them. I forgot I own these. It has a stain, but you know what? I'm still gonna keep it. Oh my gosh. After having a baby, you literally go through like a crisis of just nothing fits you, you don't feel cute anymore, you get rid of everything, and I'm kind of at that in-between stage where I am slowly gathering myself back. I have one of my son's shirts in here. When all of this is done, I'll come back. It's too much, it's too much, too much. Okay, keep in mind I have a lot of clothes in the wash. These are all the clothes I'm keeping. This is pajamas in this basket. I'm gonna put this in the hoodies closet. These in here. These are like tights and my back poster thing. This I'm gonna sew. And then I also found all my belts finally. So at the end of the day, these are all the clothes that I am getting rid of. I'm gonna sort through them and see what I'm selling versus what I'm gonna keep. I already posted a few on Poshmark. I'll show a screenshot of that, I guess. So we are going to be doing the haul portion. I kind of did it in reel form because it was just easier, okay? Don't judge me and don't hate me, okay?
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good. Ain't nobody stop
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My closet is now refreshed, renewed, organized, cleaned, and just so much better. I have spring clothes out, even though it's winter outside right now. I hope this is the last snowstorm of the year, because I swear I was this close to wearing the cutest outfit ever. I just love springtime. It's not too cold and it's not too hot. It's just amazing. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more spring cleaning videos, please stay tuned and subscribe to see more of my videos and my upcoming videos. I plan on cleaning a lot this spring because there's a lot to do. Anyways, before I ramble on too much, have a great, wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.